I'm Beth the Builder, and today's honest guide to home repair is how to fix a wooden door frame. Alright, what are you gonna need to fix your dumb, messed up door frame or wood trim? Sander, some kind of wood putty, some goggles, mask, probably a putty knife, and potentially some wood caulk. So, it's pretty straightforward. Fill all your holes with your wood putty. Then, let it dry. Sand it. Fill it again. Repeat the process. It's gonna take a few times. And here's my best advice I can give somebody. Be careful of over sanding if you have really old wood with lots of layers of paint on it, because it will start to strip away the paint, obviously, as you sand. So if you're not looking to just strip all the paint off, like a lot of stuff in my house has like 18 layers of paint on it. So be aware, be gentle with sanding your wood putty so you're not stripping off paint as well and making your life a whole hell of a lot harder. And that's pretty much it. You need like 3 things. Dare to fill those holes and fix that thing. A lot of trim just needs some TLC. Alright, that's gonna do it for this week. I have new videos every Friday. Follow me, like, dislike, it's alright. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. In the description below, you can find where you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I am much less censored than I am here on YouTube. And thanks for watching.